Hello, this is Angie Smith with the Legal Aid Society of Palm Beach County's Consumer Advocacy Unit. And here's your consumer tip for the day. Home repair fraud. In Florida, it's common, especially after hurricanes, tornadoes, and heavy rains. But it's mostly popular among our senior population. Here are some tips to help you protect yourself from home repair fraud. Tip number 1. Never fall for phone or door-to-door offers of free estimates, home inspections, or special deals of any kind. Very few, if any, legitimate contractors do this, especially after a storm. There are people out there posing as home repair experts, but they are simply con artists looking for easy access to your home and to your money. Tip number 2. An occupational license is not a construction license. It is a business registration only. An unlicensed handyman cannot legally perform any work valued at more than $1,000 for the entire job. Seek the advice of your local government's building department before you commit. Tip number 3. Never pay cash and never pay for unfinished work or jobs that have not been inspected. Paying by check or money order provides you with a written record. If a contractor asks you for money in advance, you should consider purchasing the materials yourself. Remember to take pictures of the damage prior to the work and during the work being done. Keep copies of all documents and make a log of all phone calls, conversations, and activities. Tip number 4. Get estimates and compare them carefully. The lowest bid or price may not always be the best selection. Tip number 5. Never agree to get your own permits. That will only make you responsible for everything. Tip number 6. Never be pressured into making hasty decisions. Before you agree to sign any contract, that's including a contract for financing, have an attorney review and explain the terms. Tip number 7. If you suspect anything wrong or criminal, please report it to your local authorities immediately. If you believe you've been a victim of home repair fraud and you live in the Palm Beach County area, please call the Legal Aid Society of Palm Beach County's Consumer Advocacy Hotline at 561-655-8944, extension 361. Thank you for listening.